Are your localized application logic application failing because of the WET Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To begin the walkthrough for WET Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the WET library, the core library for the Wet, Windows Equalizer Tool, or a specialized reverb VST plugin of the same name. It manages real-time spatialization. If missing, projects in FL Studio or Ableton will load with missing plugin errors, effectively breaking the rhythmic patterns and glitches in the project. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The presence of Wet Library DLL is required for the localized application logic engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Wet Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Remember that Wet Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry clutter or Wet library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Wet library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.